Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the dollar bead box for the month of March. And it's a monthly subscription box. There's a lot of different subscription times and prices, so forth. So just go to dollarbeadbox.com, check it out and see if it's right for you. I'm outside today, and so bear with me. I can't really see the sun shining on my screen. So let's look at the dollar bead bag, and it's $8 a month. It's got 8 strands of Czech fire polish beads, and it says dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder March items through April 2022. This is the first month I've ever seen baggies in our Strands. I like to keep mine on Strands, so I don't personally like that. Alright, so let's start with 3mm sapphire. Okay. Siam satin. That would be this, I believe. I got started for my nails. Were completely finished. Drying as usual. It's a pretty Siam red, the satin look. Watermelon. Would that be this? No, that's this. Greens and pinkish reds, a little bit of brown is what I'm seeing. And olive vitriol pink. Alright, now the 4mm matte jet. It's this. Yeah, just a matte black 4mm. Then we have matte light amethyst. And matte crystal. And a matte light purple velvet or matte purple velvet AB. I think I got the matte purple velvet AB. It's a very pretty color. Okay, let me get the box ready and I'll be right back. Alright, and then we got a dear member letter, and it says, as many of you may be aware, recent world events have created many shipping and supply issues for both procuring and sending products. Please be assured that we're doing all we can to provide you with the highest quality products in the most timely ways. Thank you. And then you got where you can contact or find them on social media. And on the back is an itemized list of what you received in the box. And it's great because it gives you the full description. Alright, let's start with the strands. 4mm Czech fire druck, transparent light lilac or aronite green druck. I think that would be this. 50 pieces. It's a beautifully round 4mm druck. And a beautiful lilac. 4mm Czech glass pearl, matte light lavender, 35 pieces. Pretty. Matte. And you could tell that's a beautiful satiny color. These are gorgeous. Look great with those lavender or lilac drucks. 4mm Czech glass pearl, pastel mint, 40 pieces. That beautiful mint color we've been getting in different sizes. Gorgeous. I just love the Czech pearls. 6mm Czech glass lentil, jet hematite, 35 pieces. These are little lentils. I think they're one whole. I believe they are one whole lentil. $5mm Czech fire polish, organic, antique green. Reminds me of a forest. Seven by 10 mil Czech glass tulip, lavender opal pink wash, 15 pieces. And these are cool. They have striations, and I don't know if you can see, but some of them are you can see through or transparent, crystal in spots. Some are striped with half purple and half crystal. Alright, and that's it for the strands. Now we have the additional items. 17mm Czech glass table cut dragonfly, olive opal bronze wash, 1 piece. Ooh, I like the coloration on that. See the white opal on one side. My neighbor's dog, I don't know if you hear that in the background, he whines when she leaves. It's really sad. 16 by 21mm Czech glass oval flower, white with pink wash, 2 pieces. I just got these last month in a box. 1 of them. So now I have 3, so I could probably do more. These are a white bead with pink wash. Those are pretty beads. And then we have 14mm Czech glass Star of Ishtar rose luster pink wash, 3 pieces. We've gotten these before. I'm not sure in this color. If we got this color last month. Yeah, it looks like it. It's got the yellow with pink wash. But like the letter said, they're probably having trouble getting products shipped in. $8mm Czech glass acid etch truck, yellow, black, pink, or pastel green. I got pink, which I love. I love that color, dusty pink. And they're real matte. And you can see the line through the center. Okay, and then we have 19x20mm pewter angel charm, antique silver. The loops on the back of her wings at the top. Oh, poor Max. 8mm Czech fire polish, olive, 8 pieces. Does it look pretty with those pink? Alright, and then we have 16x20 pewter leaf, pewter leaf, antique silver, 2 pieces. These are pretty. Oh, and they're thinner than what I expected. They're almost, and they've got a little curve to them. They're almost filigree type. Okay. 11x14mm butterfly crystal, 2x AB, 4 pieces. These are the Czech butterflies. My channel will get back to normal, doing more tutorials, and more tutorials especially. I've got house guests and they've been here for a little over a month, so my New Year's Eve resolution was to be more productive on my channel, and life just happens. So as soon as I get them situated, and they get situated, I'm going to start trying to do a lot of tutorials and more content on my channel. Please bear with me. Where are we at? pewter leaf, butterfly, 5mm, Czech glass druck, jet black, 24 pieces. Oh, I didn't get the drucks. I got 2 packs of these, and I'll show you those when we get to them. They just made a little oopsie. 9mm vintage German flatback jet hematite, 8 pieces. This is what I got 2 of, which I'm not complaining. Honestly, I think I got a better deal. So I got double these flatback crystals. I think these are their I think it says they're vintage German let's see. Yeah, vintage German flatback crystals. Okay, so I got 2 packs of those, but you should have got a pack of drucks. And then 14mm Czech glass cabochon matte green luster, 2 pieces. Yes, I love cabochons. See, flat back, perfect for bead embroidery. I'm happy about those. Then we got some 8x12mm Czech glass table cut rectangle, light olive opal with travertine, 4 pieces. That's a pretty color. There's swirls in there, that green opal. I'm hoping I'm on camera, I can't see my screen, and with the sun shining on it. So I hope I don't have to redo the whole video. But I can't do my videos inside because the company has taken over my area, my room that I do videos in. So let's see. And then we have a bonus item, and I'm happy to see this. Econoflex. Oh, it's green. Soft flex beading wire, medium diameter, spring green, 10 feet. And it's stainless steel nylon cord, which I really like the Econoflex. And it's a very affordable. And there's the color, if you can see it. It's a spring green, a leaf green. So here we go. This is our March 2022 dollar bead box. Thanks for watching, everybody. If I design some pieces, I'll show you what I made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.